Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to fix your Nomad eSIM is not working. Now, first you need to go ahead and check if your eSIM has actually been installed successfully. Okay, so for this you go to your device settings. So in Android you'll be looking for your SIM manager, or iOS you navigate to your mobile service section in your phone settings and make sure you can see that your eSIM is listed on the list of SIMs in your phone setting. Okay, as long as the eSIM is listed there, that means the eSIM has been installed successfully. And what you can also do is check your phone data settings and if your eSIM has actually been activated. Now, if your eSIM was successfully installed, check your device settings and make sure your travel eSIM has been selected as the eSIM that will be selected for mobile data. And you'll also need to confirm that data roaming for that eSIM has been enabled. And if you're using an iOS device, double check that data switching has been disabled. Okay, then what you can do is toggle your phone settings. So if your eSIM has been installed and activated, but you still appear to have issues connected to the cellular network, there are a few things you can do. So you can try toggling the following settings. So switch data roaming off and on again, turn airplane mode on and then off again, turn eSIM itself off and then turn it on back again, and then you can try restarting your phone. This should usually fix your issue. And if it still doesn't work, guys, you can check your APN settings of your eSIM. So go to the eSIM on your device setting and check that the APN settings are configured correctly for the eSIM, okay? So your installation kit should contain information about the correct APN settings, so you can go ahead and use that as the reference. And if none of these don't work, guys, you need to contact the customer support, okay? Reach out to customer support, provide screenshots, and indicate that you are no longer receiving service along with details of your eSIM so that the issue can be diagnosed and resolved further. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.